México.
Hospicio Cabañas is a museum located in Guadalajara in Jalisco state in Mexico. It was once one of the America's largest orphanages and hospitals and is now a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The complex was founded in the 1790s by the Bishop of Guadalajara in the aim of creating an all-in-one workhouse, orphanage, hospital, church and almshouse. It was named after the Bishop Cabañas, who was appointed to the Holy See in the same decade. Renowned Mexico City architect Manuel Tulsa designed the complex on classical, neoclassical, and Baroque French and Spanish styles, with the majority of the buildings being a single story. This was done purposefully so as not to have to move children, older people, and the sick up and down floors. Construction continued right into the 1820s, even after the death of the Bishop Cabañas. In the 19th century, it acted as a barracks and colonel headquarters during the Mexican Wars of Independence against the Spanish crown. After independence, the complex returned to its original uses. The church is covered in frescoes painted by artist José Clemente Orozco. The murals portray hallucinatory and allegorical scenes from Mexico's history, as well as a dark vision of the future of humanity. One of the more famous frescoes is the Hombre de Fuego, the Man on Fire, which depicts a huge man on fire falling from the fiery sky. As well as this one, all other frescoes seem to depict a very dark view of the world. The hospital continued to function right up into the 1980s, when it was repurposed into the Cabañas Cultural Institute. Today, the complex is full of artworks, installations, frescoes, and many decorated courtyards. want to visit Hospicio Cabañas, head to the historic center of Guadalajara. The museum is open Tuesday till Sunday, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Tickets cost 34 pesos, which is under $2, euros and pounds. If you've enjoyed this video, why not check out this one, or this one, or this one, or even this one. Ciao for now.